name is Edu and she is my sister Leila. Today I'm going to eat a sandwich for dinner. I'm going to show you how to cook it. Ingredients: bread, ham and cheese. First we take 2 slices of bread. Next, we put cheese and ham. After that, we put the other slice of bread. Finally, we put the sandwich inside a sandwich maker.